Hey, Katie, Grumpy Cat passed away today.
He did?
It was she, but yeah.
Damn.
Did you know who her biggest fan is?
No.
Random Kitty.
What?
No, you didn't know that?
No.
Oh, she loves Grumpy Cat. I gotta go tell her the news.
Okay.
This is gonna suck. It's true. Random Kitty has been a fan of Grumpy Cat ever since she was just a kitten. I mean, you would almost think that she had a crush on Grumpy Cat, even though Grumpy Cat's actually a girl. Either way, I don't think she's gonna take this news very well. Hey, Random Kitty. Hey, have you watched the news today at all?
No.
Okay, well, I've got something to tell you. You might not like. Hey, Grumpy Cat passed away today.
What?
Yeah. I'm so sorry. Girl, don't cry. Come on, I know it hurts. We all loved Grumpy Cat, but we're gonna get through this, okay? We're gonna get through this together. You're gonna be all right, okay? I promise, okay? So quit crying, girl. We lost a great one today, and to Tabitha, the owner of Grumpy Cat, aka Tartar Sauce, it doesn't matter if your cat's famous or not. No one will ever understand the personal relationship you have with your cat. And my condolences for your loss, and to Tartar Sauce, may your other 8 lives be just as amazing and influential as this one's been. We'll never forget you. It's okay, girl. Come on, dry your eyes. We'll get through this, okay? It's gonna take a little bit of time, but we will get through this.